How to log in or sign in into your Gumtree account. To sign in or log in into your Gumtree account, you need to make sure that you have already registered. So go ahead and type in gumtree.com. You could also use an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now, since I've already logged in, so it's going to automatically take me to the login field or that my home page. When you are on the home page or when you're on the dashboard page and want to log in, you just have to go to this link, that is gumtree.com.au. Make sure whether you're going for the UK or the Australian, and then you need to tap on the tab bar icon from the home page and click on the sign in button. As you press the sign in button, it's going to show you different interface such as this. So here you could either go with your Facebook or your Google ID or an email address. Since I'm gonna go with the Google, so I'm gonna select Google, and then I have to go ahead and enter the Google account that I want to log in with. So when you actually do this, you need to scroll down a bit and select the Google account that you wish to log in with. Continue all of the terms and conditions. And with that, you'll have successfully logged in Gumtree account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.